Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Today I have a very new topic for you, common errors in the use of articles. This is a main problem for the students. जो articles में जो articles हम लोग use करते हैं a, n and the उसमें मिस्टेक्स कर देते हैं कि कहाँ a लगाना है, कहाँ n लगाना है, कहाँ दा लगाना है. They made mistakes. I have following sentences to show you any violation of the rules of the correct use of articles, make them wrong, and how they are corrected. Here I have some sentences. For example, number 1. Indus is largest river in Pakistan. What's the correct form of this sentence? The Indus. We use the before word Indus because Indus is the name of particular river. The Indus is the largest. We used the before the largest because it's a superlative degree. Largest river in Pakistan. This is a correct form. Number 2. He is MA in the English. This is wrong. He is an MA in English. What's the correct form of this sentence? He is MA in English. He is MA in English. Number third sentence I have Himalayas are highest mountains in world. What's the correct form of this sentence? The Himalayas. We use the before Himalayas because it's the name of mountain. The Himalayas are the, again superlative degree, are the highest mountains in the world. So which articles we use in this sentence? The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. We use three times articles in this sentence. Number 4, this is a news to me. What's the correct form of this sentence? This is news to me. This is news to me. Don't use a before news. Next one is Muslims read Holy Quran every day. What's the correct form of this sentence? The Muslims. The Muslims read the Holy Quran every day. What's the correct form of this sentence? The Muslims read the Holy Quran every day. Next sentence is do not make noise. What's the correct form? Do not make a noise. Do not make a noise. This is a correct form of sentence. Last one is horse is faithful animal. What's the correct form of this sentence? Horse is a faithful animal. Horse is a faithful animal. So I have here some basic incorrect sentence, some basic errors which we did in which we usually make in when we write articles. When we use articles in sentence, we usually make this errors. So I told you, for example, before any particular name of river, particular name of any mountain, we use the word, the article use the, or before the superlative degree of adjective. For example, here Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. The Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. He is MA in English. He is MA in the English. We never use the before the name of any subject. He is MA in English. It's the correct form. Himalayas are highest mountains in the world. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. This is a news to me. This is news to me. We never use a before the word news. Muslim reads Holy Quran every day. The Muslims read the Holy Quran every day. Do not make noise. Do not make a noise. Horse is faithful animal. Horse is a faithful animal. Hopefully you understand what's the basic errors in using articles. You understand hopefully. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.